Counters. A cool way to add live data to your sign. Now available for signs on Project Content's scheduler. Adding a counter consists of two main steps: counter creation and counter scheduling. Creating a counter. With a new Canvas project, we'll add a feed layer and select counter. Count down to a day in the future, or count up from a date in the past. Select whether to include days, hours, or minutes in your counter. Adjust the layout and design with placeholder info. Add any optional labels. And render your design like any other project. Part 2. Scheduling your counter. With the design complete, let's set when the counter should run and the date it'll count to or from. To do this, navigate to Scheduler, Schedule My Sign, and then start scheduling like you would normally. So add or edit a playlist, label your playlist, set start and end dates, hit add to select file, and then navigate to your Presto folder. Within here, you can use the counter tag to quickly find designs that use counters, and then select your piece. Now, below you'll see a new section to configure counter dates. Count up will use a date in the past, and count downs will use a date in the future. So once that's set, hit submit, and your sign can start counting. That's counters. In summary, you can add a counter layer to a design, customize which data points are used, render that design, and then you can schedule it to your sign and specify counter dates. That's it for this video. If you still have questions or need to see other tutorials, you can find all our training resources at projectcontent.com.